Hello everyone, welcome to D-Access, and your presenter for this video is Daunga Tembo. And so in this video I am going to show you how to add your file location path as well as display the file name of your Word document on your header or your footer. And also apart from that, we can also show you how to insert your page numbers to your Word document. And now if you want to insert your file location path and file name, you are going to go to insert, and when you go to insert, you are going to go to the header or the footer. It depends either way where you want to put these things, it's going to show. So for the video I am going to put it on the header. So when you insert your header, you'll see that there's these options here, like it showed you that you have put your header. Now what we need to do is edit our headers. So I am just going to delete that there, and I am going to insert the file location path. So what I'm going to do is to go to quick paths here where it says this is under this insert ribbon. You go to quick paths, and when you click on it, there's going to be these options: auto text, document property. All these are ways of describing your document, but we are going to go and insert a field. So when you go to the field, you will see that this prompt will pop up on your screen, and now you are going to fill in what is needed. So you start with this part here. When you go to this field, you have to put document information because that is what you're trying to display. And then you see that the field names is if you want to display the author, if you want to put comments, if you want to put the property, and if you want to put the file name, file size, all these here, you can just set them there. But for the video, since we want to insert the file name and the path, you go to this field here where it says file name. So when you click on file name, it's going to show you the format. How do you want this file name to be displayed? Do you want it in uppercase, in lowercase, first capital, or the title case? And it is entirely up to you and how you want it. So we are going to set it to be in first letter capital. And now if we want to also add the file path, we go to add path to file name, and when you click on it, this is like you've told Word now that what I want to show on my header is the document information. What information do you want it to show? I want it to show the file name of the document, and here it describes more of how do you want to show your document information. I want to show it in the first letter. I want the first letter to be a capital letter, and aside from that, show the file path of the document. So this is basically what we have told Word to do. And when we click on OK, you're going to see that on your header here, there is this file path here. When you look at this C, users, and the number, these are the files where this document is. So even when you're looking for it, you can use this way. You can go to the documents, and you go to this environmental assignment page, and now this is the name of the document as it's shown here at the top. So this is how you add your file name as well as file location. And we're going to go to the next segment where I will show you how to display your page numbers on the footer. So you can get there in two ways. Since we have already inserted our headers and footers, what you can just simply do is go to file number here, or page number, and when you click on page number, you're going to see where you want them to be. If you want it to be at the top or at the bottom, you can just choose. But first, before we do that, we are going to format the page numbers, and this prompt will come. So in this prompt, you'll see this field here shows you the options on how you can insert your page numbers. So you can have them in Roman numerals, in the normal alphabetical letters. You can have them hyphened and spaced in different ways, so you can just choose. So we are going to go with normal numbers, and then when we want to insert our page numbers, there's these two options here. So you can continue from the previous section, where this is in the case of you have put page numbers up to a certain point and you're trying to continue it. It's going to just continue from the previous page and continue counting. But we can also set it to start the page numbers from somewhere. So we are going to say start at 1, meaning that your Word document is going to start counting at 1. From page 1, it's going to count everything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to the last page. So you can set it like that. But for your cover page, since most academic papers, the cover page isn't counted as as one of the page numbers, you can just make it start at 0, and then you are going to click OK. And now when you see that we have formatted our page, we are going to go to the page number button again, and now we are going to set where we want our page numbers to be. So these are the options. You can just have a normal number, which is on the left side, on the middle, and on the right side, and you can have this type of page number, and there are also so many options that you can choose from. So we are just going to choose this one over here, and when you click on it, you will see that we have inserted our page numbers. And because we did not count the first page or the cover page, it is just going to show 0 there, and then it will start counting here. The first page, second page, and the third page, as well as the fourth page. So that is how you insert your page numbers, as well as your file location and file name. So these things can also be used interchangeably. You can set your file location at your footer. Once you just start at the beginning there and say that you want your file location to be at the footer and your file and your page numbers to be at the top, it is just going to separate for you. And so now that we are done, we are going to close, and we are going to now see this is where our header is, and the header is there, as well as the page on the footer. Everything is there, everything has just been inserted for you, and this is how you insert your file location name as well as your file path. And also this is how you insert your page numbers to your Word document. And so thank you for watching this video, and for more videos, please like and subscribe to D-Access. And for now, we say goodbye and see you next time.